What's up, guys? Welcome back to the Turbo John YouTube channel. Super Bowl Sunday. What? We're drag racing. We don't care about no Super Bowl. Here is the video from the GoPros, the 2 test passes we made at Thundervalley today. Backside racing. We had a great time. Really cold. Really cold. But it was fun. Here they are. Next couple of days, I'll get the full video edited. I wanted to show you what it's like to ride in the hot rod, backside, GoPro, no prep. Real no prep. The first pass, we were the very first one down the track. All right, boys, here we go. First pass. Probably only gonna go about half track. Let's turn draggy on.
Yep.
So, but whatever, just make them even right now.
All right, let me check them.
See what they're at and make them even. The good thing about this fire seat is it's nice and warm. That sucked. I knew it was going to be bad. The starting line was, well, honestly, we didn't even go up there and look at it. So, let's tell you what it went. I only made it like a half track, but it was on the traction control very hard. So let's see what it actually went on the traction control. Stupid hard. It made it through the transition that I normally struggle at, but it was bad wheel speed. 157, 410, 670. I run it to about half track. So yeah, so we got some work to do. Let's go. Made some changes. Let's go up there and do another test pass. So we're going to drop the entry fee down to $100 buy-in. They only have 3 people going to get in it at $200, so we can get more at $100. So it looks like we're gonna have somewhere between 6 and 8, which that's the same thing for me. I didn't get in it at $200 just because the car kind of sucks out here. But I'd be willing to risk $100, and so luckily those 3 would rather have more cars, the same amount of money, but one more round of racing. We like racing, so here we go. Well, that done a little bit of a wheelie. Wheelied and then come up and went left a little bit. 60 foot was terrible because it wheelied. Yay.